Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to discuss that which errors to focus on. We have so many missed opportunities, decisions not made, errors in judgment, opportunities lost. Perhaps you didn't buy Reliance at 800 during Corona time, you didn't buy Bitcoin at $10 during 2010, didn't buy that winning lottery, or you didn't go to the college to learn the French which could have got you Canadian citizenship. But most of the time, those aren't the things we are obsessed about. Instead of these huge opportunities not seen, we think about the near misses, the ones we had some sort of proximity to. As if the emotional proximity to a choice is the thing to feel badly about. So instead of looking for the opportunities where we could have made phenomenal profit, we keep on pondering on the aspects that we left rupee 10 on the counter mistakenly, and we are investing our time and effort energy on this aspect only, that due to negligence you left rupee 10 on the desk of a shopkeeper. You must remember that you have to put your energy into the right place. You should not be thinking of one typo error in a letter, rather you should be thinking broad based at how you can write a paper which can be world class and can make you a renowned person. So the concept is that you always keep on thinking of the potholes which you are hitting while traversing on the road, whereas you should be focusing on the roads not seen. Almost always these roads matter, and if you want to make really great money in the market, you have to foresee these opportunities well in time and undertake the action so that you can achieve financial freedom well in time before your friends, colleagues or relatives can even think of. And this can only happen if you focus on the errors which you made in a big way and make sure you don't repeat those, and any such opportunity which you get in the future you will lap onto it. Remember to subscribe to our best bank nifty option tip. Make money even with a small capital of rupee 5000. We are able to pick up the trend at the right time and exit timely in less than 2 hours with the profit.